Changing your shower handles and suddenly the water only gets warm instead of hot? That's a super common issue when swapping out those knobs, and it usually comes down to how the internal scald prevention or temperature limiter is set up. So, here's the lowdown on fixing that hot water problem without calling a plumber just yet. First, check if your new shower handle has a built-in scald prevention device. That little mechanism stops the handle from turning all the way to hot to keep you safe from burns. You'll want to remove the handle carefully and look behind it for a plastic or metal stop that limits how far you can twist it toward hot water. Usually, you can pull it off, adjust by twisting it a bit more toward hot, then snap it back on. If you have the instructions from the handle or valve manufacturer, those will show exactly how to adjust this. If not, try looking up the model online or call their customer service. They often talk you through the fix. Also, make sure when you put the handles back on, they're aligned properly at neutral or center, so the internal stops work right. Sometimes people don't reset them correctly after changing handles, and that throws off the temperature control. Lastly, test the water after each small adjustment to avoid making it too hot accidentally. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not realizing their single knob shower valve has a temperature limiter, which leads to water never getting fully hot. Another common issue is installing the handles without setting them to the neutral position so the internal stops don't line up and restrict heat. The third problem is ignoring the manufacturer's instructions or not contacting their support when things go sideways. Those guides are super helpful for these exact problems. Fixing these usually just means realigning the handle stops or adjusting the internal limiter, which can save you a costly plumber visit. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searches. Contractors also benefit by connecting with legit customers looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done right the first time.